Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to showcase a recent project in which we implemented advanced computer vision technology to enhance quality control in the manufacturing industry. Our solution focuses on detecting defects on conveyor belts, a critical aspect of ensuring product quality. By utilizing our custom-trained model, we've developed a system that identifies and highlights defects in real time, helping to streamline inspection processes and minimize the risk of defective products. This technology can transform the way manufacturing companies handle quality control, offering a reliable and efficient alternative to manual inspections. It's designed to seamlessly integrate into existing production lines, enhancing accuracy and productivity. If you're in the manufacturing industry and looking for innovative ways to improve your production processes, we invite you to connect with us. Our expertise in AI and computer vision can provide tailored solutions to meet your specific needs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into AI applications across various industries. We look forward to partnering with you.